Cashew nutrition, absolute the best treatment for depression without medication. Nuts are known for their numerous benefits, but cashews are considered as even more beneficial. The bad news is that most of the scientists often underestimate these nuts. However, some scientists actually found these nuts beneficial and interesting. Cashews are usually grown in Brazil, Nigeria, Mozambique, and Tanzania since they require humid and hot climate. Top 5 health benefits. Cashews have a high content of calories. Only one serving of 50 grams has 275 calories. They also contain vitamins, minerals, phytochemicals, and soluble fiber that can protect you from various diseases, including cancer. Cashews are packed with palmitoleic and oleic acids which are extremely beneficial for cardiovascular health. They can lower bad LDL cholesterol and normalize good HDL cholesterol. Monounsaturated fats are an important part of the Mediterranean diet. Many studies showed that this diet can regulate blood lipids, thus prevent coronary artery disease and sudden stroke. Moreover, cashews are a great source of magnesium, copper, potassium, iron, selenium, and zinc. A handful of cashews per day is enough to get the recommended daily intake of these minerals and prevent deficiency-related diseases. Selenium is a micronutrient, one of the elements of anti-cancer compounds like glutathione peroxides. Zinc plays an important role in the controlling the advancement of processing, DNA union and gonadal capacity. Cashews are packed with thiamine, vitamin B11, pantothenic acid, vitamin B5, pyridoxine, vitamin B6, and riboflavin. Only one serving of 100 grams contains 30% of the recommended daily intake of B6. This vitamin has the ability to reduce the risk of homocystinuria and sideroblastic anemia. Niacin can effectively fight against pellagra and dermatitis. All of these vitamins are extremely important for the metabolism of protein, fat, and carbs. Cashews are also a good source of zeaxanthin, an antioxidant that can protect against UV rays and age-related macular degeneration. Cashews are undoubtedly the most effective remedy for depression. Natural treatment for depression, cashew nutrition. Cashews are a great source of tryptophan, an amino acid that supports healthy development in children, treats anxiety, depression, and nervousness, and promotes good sleep. Just 2 handfuls of cashews contain 1,500 milligrams of tryptophan, the same amount found in prescription antidepressants. The Big Pharma does not want you to know that cashew therapies are the best healing therapy that is completely safe and does not cause side effects, unlike the conventional antidepressants. Cashew nut allergy. Even though these nuts are extremely beneficial, they can cause allergic reactions in some individuals. Cashew nut allergy is very common, just like the allergies caused by almonds, walnuts, and other nuts. So, if you notice some symptoms of allergy, consult your doctor immediately.